Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Mathematics by Funart. Let us today see the 11th question of exercise 9.1, some applications of trigonometry. The question is, a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 20 meters away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. They have given the image 9.12. Let the height of tower be h and the width of the canal BC be x. So continuing with the answer, let us take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent side, that is AB by BC. On substituting the values, root 3 is equal to h by x, which in turn gives h is equal to x root 3. Let this be equation 1. Now consider triangle ABD. That is tan 30 is equal to AB by BD, which gives us 1 by root 3 is equal to h by BD can be written as BC plus CD. From the question we know CD is 20 meter and we have taken BC as x meters. Substituting them, 1 by root 3 is equal to h by BC is x and CD is 20, x plus 20. And substituting equation 1, we get 1 by root 3 is equal to x root 3 divided by x plus 20. Cross multiplying, we get x plus 20 is equal to 3x, which in turn gives us 20 is equal to 2x, which gives us x is equal to 10 meters. Substituting x in 1, we get h is equal to x root 3, which is equal to 10 root 3 meters. Therefore, height of the tower is 10 root 3 and width of the canal is x, that is 10 meters. Height of the tower is 10 root 3 meters and width of the canal is 10 meters. Thank you. Happy learning.